Oh, guys. So this is the new beast, guys. 2015 Yamaha MT-07. Now I know what everyone's going to be saying. I'm just going to go over and get some petrol. Haven't even driven it. I've just bought it. Here's your shit. First spin. Hasn't fucking rained all bleeding day. Literally out of the fucking bike shop. Oh. Have to move that shifter. Jesus, that's so high. To get used to all the buttons in a weird place. But look, guys, this is the new fucking bike. 2015 Yamaha MT-07. The fucking sound of this is beautiful. Oh, mate. Oh, man. Literally just picked this beast up. And of course, it's fucking raining. Oh, has a full Leo Vince exhaust on it. Ah, this feels so weird compared to the ZX6, Jesus. Back on a naked bike. See, oh, has a gear. Oh, oh, mate, this thing is fucking nice. Yeah, it's a 2015 Yamaha MT-07. My very first time riding it. What a beaut! 14,000 kilometers. I didn't even fill it up all the way. I thought I did. I wish it wasn't raining. But listen to that exhaust. Oh, mate. You know, like always, the camera isn't really going to pick it up. This is the first time I've ridden it. I've been on one for a few minutes. That was it. But this is mine. I got a stupid good deal on it, and I'll bring out a video now explaining why I went for an MT-07. I'm like a typical YouTube vlogger now. I had my GoPro, but I got rid of that, so that wasn't no good. But I've had an R6, a ZX6, or now an MT-07. Oh. Mirrors are shit. I'll probably just go anyway. Oh man, I'm so fucking excited. I'm so excited. This is nice. Has a few nice extras. Like, it's not like it's by no means, it's not mint. There's a few little tiny marks on it. But not anything to be worried about, especially with the price I paid. So there's 14,000 kilometers, full Leo Vince exhaust, orangey bits everywhere. It's 2015. I paid the nice price of $5.5 fucking grand for. Fuck you. Which is a fucking stupid price for one of these. Brand new, they're $8.5 grand. And I got all the little extras that I'd probably end up putting on anyway. I just have to get used to indicators really low down on it. Oh, the fucking torque is beautiful. I have to be careful now, because it's going to be pretty slippy out. Oh man, this is beautiful. This is my first time riding, as I said. This is my first time, I need to wipe the camera, first time bringing it to you guys. Oh, the power, the torque. There's loads of reasons why I actually went for an MT-07, and I'm going to do a more detailed video, but the main thing was just, I need to save a bit of money, you know? Like, my commute is stupid, and the ZX6, as much as I love my sports bikes, it's shit. It is shit for it, and it's shit for the bike. Not for me, I'm very comfortable on a sports bike, but I ruined the fucking bike, you know? Like, this bike is fairly clean. It's the newest bike I've ever owned. I was going to buy a brand new one, but if I keep this bike for 2 years, it's going to owe me nothing, you know? 5.5 grand. The money I'm going to save on insurance is pretty much the extra money, like cash I had to put towards this bike. I know everyone goes, oh, every fucking YouTuber has one of them. But there's a reason why everyone seems to be getting one of these. They're amazing. They're fucking savage bikes. I actually don't like the indicator switch. It's tiny, like really small. So I'm going to do a full reveal of this bike. Obviously, twin nature. One of my friends, it's actually a subscriber for the channel as well. All my friends seem to be subscribers of the channel, but he offered to help me record the intro because he has help me record the reveal because he has a drone, so we're gonna get some nice shots of it. Be my luck now, get fucking hit. Ah, fucking beautiful. Guys, this is fucking beautiful. I'm so happy. I'm only filtering. I'm so happy with my choice. Oh, mate. This thing is fucking beautiful. There's a lot of cops. It's Coast Guard. It's meant to rain heavy tomorrow, so that's probably why. Arsehole. I'm just obsessed with changing gears because it sounds so fucking nice. Ah. This is so fucking smooth. Like, as I was saying, if you guys haven't ridden one, just have a go on one, test ride one. You'll see why everyone seems to be buying them, and especially why everyone seems to be buying these over an MT-09. Apparently the fuel is meant to be so much better on it. The fuel is a lot better on it. Fuel on the MT-09 is meant to get drank so fast. Oh, tunnel. Oh, it's so easy to wheelie. Holy shit. I am gonna get into trouble on this bike.